po kanila sa akin. Ambay mo. Malayo pa ba? Di ba elemental?
Okay, so everybody read, read first the Public Act 3931. Everybody, go!
Republic Act 3931. This law prohibits and penalizes persons who throw their garbage because the pollution to water resources. Republic Act 7160. This is the local code of the building. It implements the law of sanitation and cleanliness in the environment and proper garbage disposal. Executive Order 54. This law establishes the Pasig River Rehabilitation Commission. Its main objective is to clean, rehabilitate, and save the Pasig River as one of the historical rivers